In this video, we're going to take a look at the Samsung Family Hub. Yes, the refrigerator with a big Android screen on the door. Each one comes with this, a water filter. This is the Samsung water filter, and as you see here, you have to replace it every 6 months. The nice thing about this filter is it's integrated into the refrigerator itself, so you don't have to go behind it or move it. It's through the front door. Looking at the label, we see the replacement cartridge number. A quick search reveals numerous sites that sell it. Best Buy has it for $50. Right now you can get it for $40. Home Depot has it for $50. Amazon has them for $33, but they're currently not in stock. Lowe's has them for $49. And third-party site has them for $30, including shipping. So it's easy to see that the cost of replacing these filters can go over $100 a year. But let me show you something. What if I told you you never had to replace the filter? Now here's where my filter normally goes, but if you look inside, there is no filter in here. So you're saying you don't have water. No, I'm not saying that. Let me show you. Water comes out of the refrigerator, but there's no filter. How is that? Well, it turns out that in removing the filter to replace it, it engages a bypass valve, so that water doesn't spill out. So as long as you don't replace the filter, that bypass valve is engaged, you continue getting water out of your dispenser without having to replace the filter. But what's so special about this filter, and why should I keep on buying one? Well, if you have problems with the taste of the water, or there's an odor that's coming from your water, then you probably need a filter. But the Samsung water filter goes beyond just odor and taste and chlorine. It's actually certified by the NSF/ANSI, that's the National Sanitation Foundation, and the American National Standards Institute. The lowest rating you can get in a water filter for consumer use is 42, and that gives you the ability to remove chlorine as well as other impurities that can cause water to have a strong or unpleasant odor. Certification 53 reduces at least one of the contaminants that's listed by the EPA. This is probably more than likely lead, but it could be other heavy metals or volatile compounds. In our case, it doesn't tell us which one it does. And finally, it has certification 401, which reduces at least one of the emerging contaminants. Those are contaminants that the federal government has not given numbers for as being unsafe, but it includes all these chemicals or at least one of these chemicals. Again, the filter doesn't tell us which one. Now, if you trust your municipality to provide clean and safe water, then maybe you can bypass it and save yourself lots of money. If you're on a well system that has not been tested, or you don't trust your municipality, then maybe this is the filtration system you want to go with. So whether you're going with Samsung or a third-party brand, you want to make sure that you have all three certifications: NSF 42, 53, and 401. I hope you got something out of this video. Please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And as always, thank you very much for watching.